Hello guys, in this PowerApps tutorial I will show you guys quickly how you can create a responsive design like you see in many websites like in Bootstrap and or Angular and React. So responsive design menus. So I will show you how you guys create a sample responsive design menu, and it's quite fast. So I will try to demo the app, then we will create it. So this is the app, and if you see we have these menus here, and if I change my screen size, resize my screen, you can see the buttons or the menus are gone, and then you can see this small buttons, and then this menu icon appears. So and if I change the screen size again, so you can see the menus appears on the top like this. Okay, so how we can do it? We'll create a new PowerApps canvas app. Okay, we'll select canvas app. So I will name it, for example, responsive menu. Okay. Once you created your app, one thing you need to check and make sure if you click on the settings under display, scroll down, and then you see this one is scale to fit. Make sure you turn it off. Okay, and once you turn that off, then we will come here, and from the screens in the top you can select whatever screen you want. So for this purpose of showing them a responsive menu, I will select this template. So here these are containers, and responsive container. So here I will create, for example, insert one label. Let's say, for example, maybe C tech, whatever. So then we give it bold, and then I will also I will insert a few buttons for our menu. Okay, now we will change the name to home. Let's say home. Contact. And let's say about whatever. So we created these buttons. We can rename the buttons BTN. Oh, it's a good practice to give the name BTN contact. You actually work with the real project, you need to define it correctly. BTN about. say this one also LBL title. Okay, we created this one, so I will also if you click on the container, so this container height is 25, so I will what I will do is I will give my buttons the same height, so I will give it 75, and this one also 75, 5, and my label I will also give it the height of 75. It fills my container. And for the alignment, I will what I will do is I can you can select here. If you select your container, you can align your container items from here. I mean, different position, vertically, horizontally. So I will keep them left, or we can center align. Left align for the timing. So what I will do is, for example, for the label, I will there's one property, flexible width. So if you change this label flexible width, it will fill out the empty space. So I wanted to adjust the menu buttons to the right, and then the empty space should be filled out with this one. So then I would like to give my container fill it, let's say color this style, and then like my buttons similar. Okay, give the buttons the same color, and let's give a little text, the brighter color, so that should be okay. So we have our menu. If right now we run our app, you see it's not responsive. Okay. Okay, the content is responsive, but the menus are not responsive. So I will. Okay. What I will do is I will create one icon here, or insert icon, menu icon here. Select the list. Okay, let's go with this icon, and let's change the color to white. Okay, we have our icon also here, and I will and this container I will insert few buttons for our menu. I will change the name for this button again. Okay. Home. Contact. and about. Okay, so okay, so what I will do is I will align these items to the right of my container. Okay, and now we have these ones, and for these buttons I what okay, let me change the color of this ones also. Okay, we change the colors. So what I will do is, for example, for these buttons, I when the screen size is one, or for the mobiles devices, so basically we will change that. We will. Oops, sorry, not this one. The select one. You select the button and then the visible property. Go to the visible property. Then I will change this one to our screen. So basically a screen 2, but you need to define a correct name, but right now it's okay. Let's say the screen 2 dot size is the property dot size equals to 4. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4 different sizes that for different screens. So you can refer to the recommendation. You can also customize and create your own different sizes. So okay, so then for this button also we will go to visible and put the same thing, and for this one we'll put the same thing. For then for our icon, what I will do is I will change this one, visible equals to 1. So you see now it's gone. And then for these buttons, okay, one more thing we need to set in the icon. I will on the select of the icon, I will set var menu and var menu. Okay, so we set that one, and now in the buttons I will, okay, on the buttons again we will select the visible property, to screen size 1 and var menu and var menu. So I will do the same thing for the other buttons. Okay, now let's run our app. If you see, now we have these menus, And if we resize our app, you can see now this icon is appearing. If you select the menu, it shows the menu. So this is also a trick on how you can create the responsive menus, like you might have seen with the Bootstrap or Angular. So if you go to Bootstrap Responsive, and if you scroll down, for example, we have not here, I think there's the, if you click on the getting started, you have this kind of templates that you have these menus, and then the same way we created for the bots for the PowerApps. So hope you guys enjoyed and learned the technique how you can create a responsive menu. Thank you.